Today it's time to look at a very warm and comforting winter food.
Soup.
And what kind of soup are we making?
This is mac and cheese soup with added hot dogs.
And of course, because you don't want it all to be comfort food, we're also going to throw in some chopped broccoli. And that is a cup of broccoli that we're chopping.
This is probably a good way to hide the broccoli from your kids to get them to eat some vegetables by putting it in the soup with hot dogs.
Right, and you want it chopped up fairly fine because you want a little bit on each bite.
Yeah.
And then of course there's also your hot dogs.
The hot dogs.
Now, to make these kind of fancy, just cut them at a diagonal, give them more surface area, that cheese will hold on to them better.
And you can use any kind of hot dog you want. And if you don't want hot dogs in your mac and cheese and broccoli soup, then don't add it.
But another childhood favorite that I had, sometimes if we didn't have hot dogs, they'd put ham in there.
Yep, I have had it with ham as well.
Get you a nice piece of ham, chop it up, and then you have ham and cheese.
You could even do the canned ham, like the Dak canned ham.
You could. You have options with this recipe. Once you have everything prepared, it's time to get started on the soup. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cook that macaroni that comes out of that boxed macaroni and cheese. That is the basis of this. And by the way, for this macaroni and cheese, you want the kind that has the soft cheese.
The sauce packet.
Boil this till it's done. Most of the time it's about 10 minutes. All right, once your macaroni is done, you are going to pull it off and drain it. Return your pan to your heat, and then you're going to add a cup of water. And then you're going to add your chopped broccoli. Just want to give it a little cook so that it becomes soft. All right, once your broccoli's done, just go ahead, add your macaroni back in there. Don't worry about draining the broccoli. It'll be fine. So then you are going to add in 2 cups of milk. And then after that, you want to add in your cheese packet from your mac and cheese. And this is where using the liquid cheese, it's easier to dissolve. You don't get lumps and things like that from the cheese powder.
You also don't get that neon orange color if you don't use the cheese powder.
And then you're going to add 1 can of cheddar cheese soup.
So this one's full of cheese flavor. This is a cheese forward recipe.
It is very cheese forward.
And it all comes together with pantry ingredients, and sometimes that's what a busy family needs.
And once you've got your cheese in there, you just stir it all together. We're not quite done though. Final ingredients, you want to add your 2 to 3 hot dogs back in there. Mix those in, and then let your soup simmer for a few minutes. Bring it to a boil, and then just turn the heat down and let it simmer. The soup will thicken up. Of course, the longer you cook it, the thicker it'll get. And that's all there is to it. Put it in your favorite serving dish, and it makes a wonderful, colorful fall comfort soup.
And easy to make as well.
Right, that's mac and cheese soup with some hot dogs in it. Very simple, very satisfying. So thanks for watching.
And let us know in the comments, did you ever have a combination like this? Did you like hot dogs and mac and cheese when you were a kid? Do you still eat it now? What's some sort of combination from your childhood that you remember like this? For me, this is it.
Subscribe,
Like,
and hit the notification button, and then watch this next video from Ghost Host Kitchen.
bye.